This is NAB Show Live.
Hi there and welcome to NAB Show Live, produced by Broadcast Beat. I'm Michael Robinson. With me is Kumar Ramaswamy and Jeff Cooper, President and CEO of igolgi. Welcome to the show, both of you.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being with us. So tell us a little bit about your company. Kumar?
So, Jeff.
Well, we're the co-founders of igolgi. We're in our 10th year. We're celebrating our 10th anniversary this year, started in 2008. And Kumar and I have worked together 20 years before then as engineers at Thompson and RCA and Grass Valley, places like this, and did all kinds of fun, exciting engineering in the video encoding product space. And 10 years ago, we decided, to start igolgi, and our vision at the time, and still is today, that, what we used to design with ASICs and hardware was going to eventually all be running in software. And so when we started in 2008, we started building our products, which were video encoders and transcoders, all on standard off-the-shelf servers, all software-based, and we've grown our company around that core product line into a variety of different, markets and, verticals, if you will.
Well, congratulations to you both. Certainly, it is a challenge always growing a business, and certainly you're doing that, and I commend you on it. So tell us about NAB Show in 2018. What would we be talking about in terms of your company? What are you going to be announcing at NAB Show?
So there are a couple of big trends we have been observing in the industry. One is what's happening with small broadcasters and with the reallocation of the spectrum, and what's going on with the whole small broadcaster space. One of the challenges they will face is getting a wider coverage for their content. And we will be introducing a product called igocast, that actually what it does is it takes the small broadcaster bouquet and presents it on over the top on the internet. So what it will allow them to do is expand their reach inside their DMA in a much broader way. And this is an end-to-end solution platform. So what will happen is it will allow the broadcaster to take their existing bouquet and present it to their entire DMA audience over the top. And so we are working with a number of other partners as well to have the end-to-end solution put together. And we'll be introducing that with a couple of broadcasters, smaller broadcasters as well at NAB this year.
So is small broadcasters your target audience?
That is the target audience, absolutely. The small broadcaster is the target audience for this. And the interesting thing is that if that has a lot of, a couple of different things. One is it has to be cost effective for the small broadcaster, and secondly, it has to have the content has to appeal over a wider audience. That's our target audience. If it is successful, we believe that even the Class A broadcasters could benefit, because the cost structures around this distribution mechanism will be very, very appealing even to larger broadcasters.
Very good, because my question was going to be what are the key benefits to the customer? And from what you're saying, certainly being able to use your product in a way that cuts their costs, right? Because at the end of the day, if you're utilizing a product like yours, you're not going to be expending the cost factors that bigger companies or bigger broadcasters would be spending.
That is correct. The goal is to introduce a very cost-effective product while at the same time expanding their reach, so they get a much wider audience for their content. And once they get to that point, the challenge always in all of this is, do they have the rights to do it? What content can they actually distribute over the top? But the nice thing is it expands their reach. The terrestrial market has got limitations for the number of people they can actually reach. This will expand their reach tremendously.
And also many of their customers, that are, still receiving it on their televisions, they want that experience of, TV anywhere, be able to watch it on their phone or their tablet, or, but still, within that DMA, and it just allows the broadcaster to give the more modern viewing capability for their customers.
Well, we're living in a world of instant gratification where people want things right away, so it seems like you're rising to that occasion. Now, before I go, tell us about what you guys do when you're in Vegas and you're not working.
Is there a part when we're not working?
No. Over the years, Jeff and I actually we always select one place to go to. Usually we go on a hike, either a couple of hours away. Especially on Thursdays in the afternoon after the show is done, we end up taking the rest of the day off, or the day before the show starts, we go out on a couple of hikes. So we've managed to do quite a lot of hikes around the Vegas area in the last few years.
Right. Yeah, we've enjoyed the Red Rock. I don't remember the name of the park. The Red Rock Park to the west is probably one of our favorite places to go and kind of get away from all the electronics, if you will.
And we also catch a couple of shows. We caught the Blue Man Band. Yeah, we catch shows, every other year or so. So we do manage to do some fun things.
Good. Well, good. I'm glad to hear that. So we will see you in Vegas at SU 13702CM. That's booth SU 13702CM. Kumar Ramswamy and Jeff Cooper, President and CEO of igolgi, thank you so very much for being with us. We'll see you in Vegas.
Thank you.
Thank you.